Welcome to AI Teach AI. In today's video, we're shedding light on the cutting-edge technology that Pictory.AI brings to the table. This platform harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and computer vision to transform the way we perceive and understand images. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how Pictory.AI works. So, this platform is all about leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze, interpret, and extract valuable insights from images. Can you believe it? AI can now see and understand images just like we do. Just imagine the possibilities. Pictory.AI can automatically generate captions for images, identify objects and their attributes, recognize faces, and even detect emotions. It's like having your own personal AI superpower. With Pictory.AI, the potential for enhancing and streamlining various tasks in industries such as marketing, e-commerce, and social media is immense. Calling all the creative souls out there. Pictory.AI is a game-changer for artists, designers, and content creators. With this platform, you can make your creations truly come to life. Using Pictory.AI's AI-powered image manipulation tools, you can seamlessly transform and enhance images with just a few clicks. The possibilities are endless, from adding filters and effects to manipulating colors and textures. Pictory.AI empowers you to take your creativity to a whole new level. Attention, business owners and marketers. You won't want to miss this part. Pictory.AI offers an array of incredible features tailored to enhance your business presence and marketing efforts. With Pictory.AI, you can analyze customer sentiment by examining the emotions expressed in images related to your brand. This valuable data can help you better understand your target audience and make informed decisions for your business. But that's not all, folks. Pictory.AI can revolutionize the way they create captivating content by automatically generating relevant captions for images, saving them time and effort. Additionally, Pictory.AI's ability to identify objects and their attributes opens up new avenues for product development and optimization. For e-commerce businesses, this means gaining valuable insights into the preferences and needs of their target audience, ultimately driving higher sales conversions. Furthermore, the potential applications of Pictory.AI are truly endless, offering a glimpse into a future where AI technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, making tasks more efficient, engaging, and personalized. If you guys would like to utilize this tool, click on the link below on description to try it for free.